Hello everyone. We have a question. Two equations are given and we have to solve. We have to find the value of x and y. From this equation, we separate the value of x, and after separating it, we will put the value of x in this equation. So start our question. X plus y minus y is equal to 6 minus y. So y and y are cancelled, so value of x will be equal to 6 minus y. Now put this value in this equation. We will get xy is equal to 36. So we have to replace x equal to 6 minus y. So 6 minus y times y is equal to 36. Now multiply 6 y, it will become 6y minus y times y will become y squared is equal to 36. Now we have these two terms and we want to shift these two terms to other sides. We have to take its additive inverse. So 6y minus 6y minus y squared plus y squared is equal to 36 minus 6y plus y squared. So 6y minus 6y cancel, minus y squared plus y squared cancel. So we get 0 is equal to 36 minus 6y plus y squared. Now we will arrange it. We can write it y squared minus 6y plus 36 is equal to 0. We can't make factors of this equation, so we have to use quadratic formula. Here the value of a is 1, the value of b will be equal to minus 6, and the value of c is equal to 36. The quadratic formula is, as this equation is in variable y, so y will be equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So now put the value of abc to get y. Minus b minus times minus 6 plus minus square root of b squared means minus 6 squared minus 4, a mean 1 and c mean 36 divided by 2, a mean 1. Now further simplify it. Y will be equal to 6 plus minus 6 squared minus, we can write negative square, it will become positive square. So it will become, it is 144 divided by 2. So y will be equal to 6 plus minus square root of 36 minus 144 divided by 2. So y will be equal to 6 plus minus 36 minus 144 is minus 108 divided by 2. So y will be equal to 6 plus minus, now we will make factors of 108. So factors will be 36 times 3 times minus 1 divided by 2. So y will be equal to 6 plus minus square root of 36 square root of 3 square root of minus 1 divided by 2. So y will be equal to 6 plus minus square root of 36 is 6 square root of 3, and this is imaginary number which is called iota I, divided by 2. So y will be equal to, we can take 6 as common, so it will be 1 plus minus square root of 3 iota divided by 2. Now 2 and 6 are cancelled, so we will get y is equal to 3 plus minus 3 square root of 3 iota. It is the value of y. Now if y is equal to 3 plus 3 square root 3 iota, or y will be equal to 3 minus 3 square root 3 iota. Why is this? Then we have x is equal to 6 minus y, x is equal to 6 minus y. So the value of x will be equal to 6 minus y is 3 plus 3 square root of 3 iota. Now change the sign, so x will be equal to 6 minus 3 minus 3 square root of 3 iota. So x will be equal to 6 minus 3 is 3 minus 3 square root of 3 iota. Now repeat this process to this, so x will be equal to 6 minus y, and y is 3 minus 3 square root of 3 iota. So x will be equal to 6 minus 3 plus 3 square root of 3 iota. X will be equal to 3 plus this. Here we have a pair of solution set. So first of all we have to write x and then y. So pair will be x is 3 minus 3 square root of 3 iota, and y is 3 plus 3 square root 3 iota. Similarly, here the pair will be x, y. So x is 3 plus 3 square root 3 iota, and the value of y is this. So 3 minus 3 square root of 3 iota. So this is the final solution set of the equations. Thank you for watching.